Bro, your sister cheated on me.
Dang, I'm sorry, man. I told you she belongs to the streets.
You want to know what I did to get her back?
Yeah, tell me.
I slept with her mom.
Hey, that's what's up, bro. Wait a minute.
Oh, great heavens!
Hey, son, come meet my new boyfriend. I'm kind of busy right now. Just bring him in here. Hey, champ, how you doing? Don't like champ, huh? That's cool. How about Red Dragon 72? I haven't heard that name since I was 12. Wait, it can't be. Call of Duty, right? I told you I'd sleep with your mom.
Oh, great heavens!
Hi, welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you? Yeah, I'd like to ask about the menu, please. Oh, that's none of your business, but they seem pretty satisfied. Oh, you meant the menu.
Oh, great heavens!